Hello there. Today I just want to talk about the Orion Atlas telescope mount extension and the Orion Skyview Pro mount extension. Basically they're the same diameter, which means they can be used interchangeably. The difference is the Orion Skyview is 16 inches long and the Atlas Pro is only 8.4 inches long. This is good if you want to have a larger extension rather than just using the 8-inch, or if you think 16 inches is way too big like I do and you just need 8 inches, you can just use the Atlas Skyview Pro extension. The one difference is the adapter plates at the top over here. The adapter plates for the Orion Atlas and Atlas Pro are slightly different than the Orion Skyview. The Orion Skyview extension also works for the old Cirrus mount, not the new Orion Cirrus Pro, but the old one. I bought both of these things because I did in fact originally I bought the 16-inch and now I went to the 8-inch, and I'll tell you why in a few minutes. These can also be used for the Skywatcher mounts as well. Those of you that have a Skywatcher EQ6, the new one, that'll work with the Atlas Pro. And here's the Skywatcher's version of the 8-inch extension as well, so it looks pretty much the same thing. Here's the new Orion Pro mount extension, and this will not work. This cannot be used interchangeably. This is only the new Pro mount. Anyways, why do I know this? So because originally for my sky shed, my astronomy shed, I built a concrete pier, but in order to connect it to my telescope, I decided to use the Skyview extension to do that, and I made a plate at the bottom so I can connect it up, and it works perfect. It works great. The only thing is it's a bit too high. 16 inches was a bit too high, and my telescope hits it would hit the roof as I slide it off, so I have to adjust the telescope before I view it. So I decided to check into this to see if there was something else I can do, and in fact I found the Atlas Pro. It looked the same, and I called Orion up, and of course they didn't know anything about, they had no idea, so I went ahead and purchased one of the extensions anyway because I was needing it for my new Atlas Pro mount. So anyways, I'll show you that in a second here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Hello, I'm back. Here's my sky shed, and here's the telescope, how it clears the top of the sky shed. And here's the new Atlas extension attached to my concrete pier. And here's the 16-inch Skyview extension and how big it is, and here it is next to my new Atlas Pro mount. And I purchased an 8-inch extension for my Atlas Pro mount because I noticed when I was imaging the camera after it just crossed the meridian, it did its meridian flip, it would hit one of the legs, so I got the extension and that took care of that. Here's the new adapter plates for the Atlas, but notice how it fits perfectly with the old Skyview and the old Cirrus. It just fits right in there, and all the bolts line up perfectly. So if you want to change your heights, you can use these plates interchangeably. The only problem is if you have one and you want to go with the other, the adapter plates only come with the specific extensions, so you end up having to buy both of them unless you somehow talk with Orion. Anyways, thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.